Hey folks, this is Captain Doug Wynn, Crappie Gills and more. We're out on Jonathan Creek this morning on the XL Bay Pro 203, Fishful Thinking. Beautiful day. I want to tell you a little bit about the boat. I get a lot of questions on the fishing reports and all about the boat, why I chose the Bay Pro setup on the boat and all. This is an XL Bay Pro 203. It's a 20 foot 3-inch boat. Got a 92-inch beam. I'm running a 140 Suzuki outboard. This is my first Suzuki. I've been extremely happy with it. It's very quiet. It's very meager on gas, and it's a powerful engine. But the clients love it because it's so quiet. This is a center console setup on the boat, which is different than what a lot of people think about on fishing boats. The advantage to this, it gives me the walkway all the way around both sides of the console. I have battery storage under here. I'm running a 36 volt Minn Kota Tarova motor. I have 3 batteries under here, and I use golf cart batteries. That's that's a source for another feature, but I do use the golf cart batteries because of the battery life. I'm using the Millennium Seats. Now, I've been running these Millennium Seats ever since they came out. My clients absolutely love them, and they're like sitting in a lounge chair. They're so much more comfortable than the standard seats on the boat. For the rod holders, and you can see I've got rod holders everywhere in the boat. These are high-tech. They're from High-Tech Stuff in Alabama. I use several different setups according to what we're doing as far as the trolling. We troll crankbaits, we troll roadrunners and jigs, plus I can spider rig or power troll off the front of the boat. Okay, one of the features on the Bay Pro that really led me to it, and I looked at a lot of the aluminum boats when I was getting ready to buy a boat. This boat has really good rough water capability. And those of you that are familiar with Kentucky and Barkley, they can look like the Gulf of Mexico when the wind's out of the north or the south. I don't like to get out and just run for the sake of running in rough water, but there are times you'll get a weather change, you'll get a wind shift, and I've got to get my clients back to the marina safely. The boat's extremely safe. It's extremely stable in rough water. One of the features that we have what's called the jump seats, and these are also part of the back deck, so it gives you a lot of fishing space, but you can set the seats down when we get ready to fish, and they are just become part of the flat back deck. I've got a live well right here that I typically use for storage because I do most of my live well work, but it gives me dry storage. I've got battery storage in the back. I have a live well in front of the console. It's not real big, but it works out real great for crappie and stuff. You know, if I was tournament catfishing, it would be cramped. But the big thing about the boat is the safety, and I get so many compliments because people think it's a fiberglass boat, and it's a good solid welded steel boat. So if you got any questions about the XL boat line, I'll be tickled to talk to you about it. Do whatever I can to put you in contact with people on it. But I chose the boat. I've been extremely happy with it. XL has been wonderful to deal with, and the Suzuki engine is absolutely bulletproof.